In today's video is part of a series on how watching YouTube can change your life. Welcome Internet to another amazing video from the MTech series of learning videos. My name is Kevin Schultheis. I'm in the MTech studio right now doing some filming for you on a what will become a video series on how YouTube can change your life. So in today's video, we're going to cover kind of the first part, who you hang out with, your associations, your inputs become, all those averages become who you are. So whatever friends you hang out with, activities that you're doing, movies you're watching, whatever TV, whatever music you're listening to, all of those things change who you are. Either it's changing you for the better or it's changing you for the worse. Number one, the question is literally question that. What are your inputs? Number two, are those inputs the average of who you want to be? If you averaged everything that you did, are you wanting that kind of lifestyle? Because let me tell you, you probably got the perfect lifestyle that you have right now. If you say, man, I don't have the perfect life right now, okay, that's a good step. If you say, hey, I don't have the life that I want right now. Number two is then answer the question is, what kind of life do you want? So then you're like, okay, I want X, Y, and Z. I want my financial situation to look like this. I want my relational situation to look like this. I want my spiritual life. I want my physical life, my entertainment life. List all the different things of who you want to be. The next step is to find the influences, change your average of what your inputs are. One of the big goals is you're watching this right now, this video on YouTube. You can use YouTube to your advantage. If you're not careful though, it will bite you in the butt and it will waste your life. It's a double-edged sword, so be very, very careful. You probably have already wasted a lot of time watching YouTube. Hey, I think we all have. You can rabbit trail and go down some crazy paths, and then hours go by, and then the night is over, and then you're back to the grind, and then your life is just on repeat, and you're like, wonder, what am I doing, right? You can change a ton of your inputs by watching different YouTube videos and start changing who you're inspired by. What you watch, your inputs can inspire you, right? Charlie Tremendous Jones, great author and speaker and amazing guy. He's one of the very first leadership type guys that I got involved with when I started changing my associations. And it literally set me on a new path, a new direction. It started to change my thinking. Eventually, enough changed thinking, enough changed inputs, eventually changed my heading in life, and it brought me to a different place in life, a place that I wanted to go. So I started using digital to change what I listen to and what I watch. So I started watching leadership things and listening to men and women that I wanted to aspire to. They were doing things that got me super excited. I'm like, man, I want to be like that person. Or they would do some like crazy technical thing or something crazy on YouTube, or wow, that person's got it going on. I want to be like that. How are they doing that? And start watching different YouTubers that have results that you want. Do you want to be a YouTuber? Do you want to be somebody that makes money off of YouTube? That might be you. And there is a ton of channels that have changed my life because I've been watching them for years and years and years. And one of two things. You can watch somebody that's kind of like a nobody, and then they become a somebody, and you see their transition. And you're like, man, this person was like a nobody, and he started putting himself on YouTube, and then boom, he exploded. How did he do that? And see the progression. The point though is I'm starting to associate with that guy or that gal or that person, right? And go, wow, what if this is part of the dream, right? This is part of the hope. This is part of the vision. This is what is going to motivate you. So I'm starting to hang out with different people and my thinking is starting to change. I say, if that guy can do that, maybe I can do that too. I see that progression and I'm like, wow, that's just so mind-blowing. And I'm so excited about that. So maybe me too. Bingo. That is the key. The hope, the vision, the what if moment. You're on the right track. That's probably why you ran into this video. Maybe some of your past searches have found this video is because you want to learn how YouTube can take you from where you are to where you're going. If you guys are in the Edmonton area, you can actually come into our studios, MTech Studios. MTech Digital helps businesses and individuals literally use YouTube to accomplish the things that they want in life. So we are practicing this exact method at MTech Digital. If you're anywhere else in the world, hey, we might be able to start up a dialogue as well, and we can do things over Zoom conferences. Love to have you. Thank you very much for watching, and definitely check out the additional videos in this series on how YouTube can change your life for the better. See ya.